Morning, everybody. It's 8:36 on Tuesday, the 19th of July, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 1368. Okay, Asia and Europe both slightly lower this morning. Our futures are higher. At 8 o'clock, they were up 200. Right now, they're only up about 160. Nasdaq was up 110, currently up about 94, and the S&P was up 31, currently up by about 25. The only economic news that we had this morning was housing starts and permits. On an annual basis, housing starts are 1,559,000 versus 1,570,000, so slightly lower versus last month's your full year number. As far as the month over month, housing starts were down 2% versus expectations of up 1.4%. Permits came in at 1,685,000. That was down 0.6% versus estimates of down 2.7%. There have been in the news, there have been a lot of price drops on people who don't want to close. They've been getting some price concessions from the big builders, and I guess that's why there's a little bit of weakness in those. Okay, OXY. You know, there's a law against what they call a creeping tender. And I absolutely think that Berkshire Hathaway is on the wrong side of that law as they continue, including this morning, to report more purchases of Oxy. Either do the deal or don't do the deal. Creeping tender is illegal. Simple as that. IBM with a beat top and bottom last night, but a miss on margins. The stock is 130.30, down $7.89. Johnson and Johnson beat top and bottom. Stock is 175.59. That's up 136. Just so that you understand, IBM and J&J are both in the Dow. J&J a little bit more weight because of its higher price, but down $8 in IBM certainly takes off 35 or 45 dollars out of the Dow in Dow points. Lockheed Martin a miss top and bottom, and lowered annual guidance 372.45, down 14.88 or 3.4%. Halliburton came in and beat. Not really much going on there. 29.18 up 33 cents, so 1.1%. And NCR Corp, which some of you of my age will remember as National Cash Register, 31.99 up 2.89. There's talk around that they're thinking about going private, and so that has added 9.9% to their price this morning. And Netflix tonight after the close. Also, another one of my old favorites, WFG, which is West Fraser Lumber. We traded the stock because the options were too light. I think we paid about 70 for it, got about 96 for it. Closed around 84 yesterday with no news this morning. It's 105 up 21. So a really nice move there, almost 25%. Chart on the screen is the dollar, and it continues lower this morning. It's not affecting a lot of things, which is kind of surprising because oil is down this morning, down $1.85. Nat gas down 34 cents. Gold down 2.80. Silver down 15.5 cents. And some of the world commodities are higher. I mean, coffee was up $15 yesterday, and it's up another 50 cents this morning. You would think on a day where the dollar is weaker, you'd see a little bit more action there. The dollar is currently down 71 cents at 106.52. Bitcoin is up 405. Let's just look at that comparison. Bitcoin up 405, which is 1.87%, clearly trying to break out here. This is about the peak. Really has to close above, as I mentioned on Sunday night and yesterday's video, really has to close above 23,110. Last is 22 and change. It did in fact trade close to 23 yesterday, 22,820 this morning, slightly higher, 22,990 is the high. Okay, so up 1.87% on Bitcoin, and we'll now take a look at Ethereum, because Ethereum continues to outperform, has broken through that area that we were talking about. This morning it is up 82 and a half, which is 5.61%. So 1.88 in Bitcoin, 5.6. Yesterday, I don't remember the exact amount that the Bitcoin was up on a percentage basis, but Ethereum was up about 6 times that, up 16%. All right, everyone, be careful out there. Watch out for another turn to the downside. But frankly, I'm still a little bit bullish on the short term end, looking for 40, 40 and a quarter to 4,100. And right now we are trading at 38.50. So there's still a fair amount of run on the upside still available, and we will run into a lot of resistance here at between 39 and let's call it 39.50. All right, everyone, be careful out there.